Subscribe now. If you want to stay ahead in the crypto world with real-time insights, expert analysis, and profit-maximizing strategies, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Don't miss out on future updates that can help you make smarter investment decisions. To accurately predict crypto trends, you need powerful analytical tools. The top 5 tools that can help you stay ahead in the crypto market are TradingView, Glassnode, Santiment, CoinMetrics, and LunarCrush. TradingView is an essential tool for technical analysis, widely used by traders and analysts. It provides real-time data, customizable charting tools, and a variety of technical indicators. You can analyze historical price trends, use candlestick patterns, Fibonacci retracements, and moving averages to predict future movements. TradingView's social aspect is also valuable. Users can share insights, scripts, and custom indicators, making it easier to follow expert traders. For the best results, set up alerts based on key resistance and support levels, and use backtesting strategies to validate your trading plan. Glassnode specializes in on-chain analytics, offering insights that go beyond traditional price movements. It tracks whale movements, exchange inflows and outflows, active addresses, and liquidity levels. By analyzing these data points, traders can identify accumulation phases when large investors, whales, start buying Bitcoin or Ethereum. Glassnode also helps detect potential sell-offs when a large amount of crypto is moved to exchanges. To use this tool effectively, monitor exchange reserves and network activity. If reserves drop while network activity rises, it signals potential price surges. Santiment is a market intelligence tool that uses social media sentiment analysis and on-chain data to detect market trends. It tracks discussions across platforms like Twitter, Telegram, and Reddit, identifying bullish or bearish trends before they manifest in price charts. Santiment also provides a social volume metric, which shows how much a coin is being discussed relative to past trends. Using Santiment wisely, if social volume is increasing while prices remain stable, a breakout might be imminent. Conversely, a price spike without a corresponding rise in social discussions could indicate a short-term pump and dump. CoinMetrics is an institutional-grade analytics platform that focuses on network fundamentals. It provides deep insights into metrics like supply distribution, market capitalization trends, miner activity, and correlation with traditional markets. CoinMetrics is particularly useful for long-term investors, as it allows them to measure a cryptocurrency's true strength beyond price speculation. How to use CoinMetrics effectively. Track realized cap instead of just market cap. This adjusts for long-term holding patterns and provides a clearer picture of true investor sentiment. LunarCrush uses AI-powered social analytics to predict which crypto assets are about to gain momentum. It monitors thousands of social media posts daily, tracking engagement levels and influencer activity. Why LunarCrush matters. Crypto prices are heavily influenced by hype, and this tool identifies which projects are gaining traction before they go mainstream. Pro tip: use the Galaxy Score and AltRank features to identify undervalued projects before they explode. Using these 5 tools together will give you a 360-degree view of the crypto market. TradingView for technical analysis, Glassnode for on-chain metrics, Santiment for market sentiment, CoinMetrics for fundamental strength, and LunarCrush for social hype tracking. A combination of these insights can help you make smarter trades, reduce risk, and maximize profits in 2025's volatile crypto market.